Children, why the grammar is important in literature? See, it is said that grammar is the heart of literature. You need to understand the grammar. Now, most of the things which we are doing is transformation of sentences. Question tag, affirmative into negative, negative into assertive, then change the degrees, superlative into positive, positive into comparative, this kind of things we are doing. Why we are doing it? Children, we are doing it to develop our language. What happens is this, in our mother tongue, say Marathi, Hindi, we can convey our message in many ways. One message we can convey in many ways because we are speaking in that language. But when we speak in foreign language, for example English, we need to develop that language. So we are doing this. Question tag is the most simplest grammar part which we are going to start. We are going to go from simple to difficult, right? The first sentence is I am in mood. See, the sentence is given into positive form. When the question is given in positive form, your tag will be in negative form. Okay? Your tag will be in negative form. I am in mood. I am in mood. You will have to write down same sentence down, put a comma, and your question tag will be in negative form. I am in mood. Aren't I? Question tag. A-N-T, aren't I? Aren't means aren't I? Again question mark. Either this one is also correct, this one is also correct. Now let's switch on to second. Let's go for a picnic. Let's go for a picnic. It's a, even you are not going to change the tense of a sentence. It's a present form, so your question tag will be in present form itself. Let's go for a picnic. Let's go for a picnic, comma. Won't we? Let's go for a picnic, won't we? Shouldn't we? Shan't we? They always come in time. Third sentence, they always come in time. Again you are going to write down complete sentence. They always come in time, comma. Now question tag. It is a positive sentence, so your question tag will be in a negative form. They always come in time, don't they? Question tag. You should not forget to put question tag. If you forget to put a comma after the sentence, if you forget to put a question tag in the end, you will get no mark. You will say full sentence I have written this, don't they also I have written correctly. Only question mark I did not put, but you won't get half mark or quarter mark, you will get wrong, right? The fourth sentence, we sit here every day. It is a habitual sentence. We sit here every day. Don't we? We sit here every day. It's a positive sentence. Sentence लिहून झाल्यावर comma करायचा आणि you will have to put a question tag. We sit here every day. Don't we? Don't I नाही लिहायचं इथे. जर we असेल, जर subject is we, subject is they, then you will have to put they. The subject is let's go. Let's go and we. Let's go for a picnic. Won't we? Let's we. That means here the subject is not mentioned, but you understand it. It should be we. Okay? Chalo. Now the next. They reach. I'm giving you all the positive sentences. They reached here yesterday. I think yesterday shows it's a past form. Right? It's a, they reached here yesterday. Yesterday shows past form, so your tag will be in a past form. They reached here yesterday. Didn't they? Here they is there. The subject is they. So it will remain they. And don't forget to put a tag. That girl got the prize. That girl got the prize. Got shows past form. So that girl got the prize. Didn't she? Question mark. Right? Bring me food. It is not order. It sounds as if it's a request. Bring me food. Will you? Bring me food, comma, will you? Won't you? This is a positive sentence. The question tag will be in a negative form. Won't you? It's very simple. Only thing is you will have to practice again and again. Stay here. Maybe it's an order or request. Stay here. Will you? Stay here, comma, will you? Won't you? The same sentence, if we turn it into negative form, I'm in mood. I'm not in mood. Am I? I'll write down. Give the other sentences. We'll try negative. Negative sentence with a positive question tag. I am in mood. I am not in a mood. This is a given sentence. So this shows that question or the sentence is given to you in a negative form. You will have to turn into the positive form. I am not in a mood, comma. This sentence shows that it is in, this not shows that it is in negative form. So I am not in mood, am I? It is in positive form, right? The question given is in negative form and the tag is in positive form. One more sentence. Pune is a green city. What does it show? Pune is a green city. It is a positive. So the negative form, the question tag will be in negative form. Isn't it? It stands for Pune. Okay. Now we'll take negative sentence. School is not sanitized yet. Not shows negative. The sentence is given to you in negative form, so your tag will be in positive form. School is not sanitized yet, comma, is ahead, is not, so isn't. It is in a positive form. The sentence is given to you in negative form and question tag will be in positive form. Is that clear? The next, we'll do all negative and the question tag will be in positive form. Chennai is not one of the hottest city of India. See children, here we have done very small sentences. Now 3-4 words are more in this sentence, so don't get scared. Okay? Chennai is not one of the hottest city in India. So is shows that it is a present form, not shows that it is negative. Okay, so the tag will be in positive form. Chennai is not one of the hottest city of India. Same sentence you are going to write down. After that, after India, you are going to put a comma, and your question tag will be is it, is it. See, this is the negative form and this is the positive question tag. Is that clear? Next. We were not missing school in the beginning. We were not missing school in the beginning. Were not. It shows negative. We were not. That means your tag should be in positive form. We were not missing school in the beginning. Same sentence you are going to write down till beginning. After beginning, put a comma. Were we? Got it? So the simple rule of question tag is when the given sentence is in positive form, your question tag will be in negative form. You are not going to change the tense, you are not going to change the subject. Like if there is they, you will have to consider they. If there is we, you will have to consider we. If there is noun, if there is I, you are going to keep those things as it is. Only thing is, if the given sentence is in positive form, your question tag will be in negative form. If the given statement is in negative form, your question tag will be in positive form. That's all for today.